Stuck with the Uiframework Library DLL failure compromising your core library map? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's analyze this architectural break and restore your stability. To start the walkthrough for Uiframework Library, you can follow my technical guide or use a utility designed to optimize your system configuration. This is the Uiframework Library, the Windows UI Framework Library. It manages the unmanaged localized rendering of modern Windows controls and facilitates the orchestration of unmanaged XAML-based UI manifests for system applications. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. Uiframework is an essential component maintained directly by the operating system. To resolve this, run sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a full integrity scan and repair any corrupted Windows binaries. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes reestablish a broken link to the Uiframework library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. If you're attempting to install Uiframework Library DLL yourself, be aware that manual file placement can lead to severe software conflicts and data corruption. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. Maintain a more reliable system by reviewing the software resource below, related to managing Uiframework library references. If your workstation is back online and Uiframework Library is running smoothly, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, reliable solutions.